Hello everyone. So what we're going to do here is a quick demo of the shared memory inter-process communication example where we have a producer as well as a consumer, and we've of course reviewed the system calls associated with setting up the shared memory region and then defining its size and then mapping it. So let's look at sample code for the producer. So we go okay. So here is our sample program for the shared memory POSIX producer. As we noted, we are really defining some constants up top pertaining to, for instance, the size of the shared memory region, and then of course the contents of what actually gets written to the shared memory region. Specifically, when it comes to system calls, we are invoking the SHM_open system call for this producer, where we specify the name of the shared memory region, and then we indicate that we will be opening up the shared memory segment in read-write mode. And then we use the ftruncate system call to define the size of the shared memory segment. And finally, we map the shared memory segment in the address space of the process. So as we go further down, this should be pretty easy to compile and get going. So we'll do that in just a moment. Let's also now look at the shared memory POSIX consumer code to see how the consumer will drain this shared memory region. So here we've got the consumer code, and once again we're opening the same shared memory region, and then we're mapping it, mapping the shared memory segment in the address space of the process, and then finally we're reading from the shared memory region with a printf statement. Okay, so let's compile. So shm-posix-producer, shm-posix-producer.c. Okay, no big deal. We are having an implicit declaration of ftruncate. What that effectively means is that the code likely, well, let's fix this. Let's fix this right on the fly. Right, so that's pretty easy. There we go. And what we need is the following. Okay, that should take care of that. All right, no warnings anymore. Excellent. Let's go ahead and run our producer. Okay. Producer is done. Shared memory region's been set up. It's been populated. Now let's go ahead and compile our consumer. Okay, no warnings. All good. And consumer. So let's go ahead and access the same shared memory region and drain off it. And boom, that is we see that right there where we were able to read from that shared memory region